Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson. I hope everyone's doing well. Had a lot of interesting experiences. I've been trying to do a lot of things and had some success, but had to redo a lot. I have my enclosure just about finished, so I've got it all wrapped in foil, and I've got the doors just about ready to put on. I'm printing some last corner pieces. Trying to figure out how to do this so I can take them apart, and so I'm not gluing anything, I'm just screwing them together with these corner pieces I printed, and I broke one getting it off, so I'm printing one more right now for my Ender 5 Plus. I printed all four at once, but made a big mistake. I'm using PETG, and I did it on Ender 5 glass, and it just actually pulled off some of the coating. So I've now used some hairspray on it, but trying something new. I've got this filament from GreenGate3D. It's all recycled filament, and it's pretty much all PETG. And they had some specials. This clear, it was not manufactured correctly or perfectly, so it's got some bubbles in it, which really doesn't affect anything. Unless you were doing like a vase or something like that. But also I got some black, and I got some lime green and some olive green, or I call it army green, but it's not quite the right color, so they had that on sale. The lime green I really like, and the reason I got involved with this, Chris Kersey had a roll as a giveaway, and I was one of the fortunate people who got one. So I liked it, and I ordered three more, and I've got three more on order, three or four more. But it seems like a really good company. I'll put a link to it. The other thing I've been trying to do is I had to do some rewiring because the wires were just too short from the board in the back coming out to the printer. So I had to lengthen some of those. And because it's so hard to get in here, I had to redo my adjustments for the X and Y belt tightening. So I made those a lot sturdier. That's why I went back to the original OEM ones. But these are a lot easier because I could tighten the belt so much easier. I also found some belt clips that seem to be working pretty well. They're easy to lock, and you can take them apart and they unlock. So I'm still working on that. The other thing I did, up in the process of upgrading the Raspberry Pi 4s. I've got a couple of them now, and I've been testing those. So I've just been really busy. Hope everybody's doing well, and leave any questions, comments you have. Thank you.